Shalom, bruchim habaim. Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about the combination of the verb lamut, to die, and the preposition al. That changes everything. Okay, lean back, grab a coffee, and you will learn something super useful for your everyday Hebrew. So, last week we spoke in the weekly lesson about a video that was about Netanyahu entering a coffee shop outside Jerusalem. And this video went viral within hours for many reasons. We actually talked in the lesson about what happened to the coffee shop after this video went viral, but in this video here, I want to talk with you about what I have just mentioned, lamut and the preposition al. So this here is, I only give you a photo of the video that you can watch yourself online. I do not want to get in any copyright problems, so I leave you the link to Netanyahu's Instagram, and there you can watch it yourself. Okay, however, he enters and somebody is saying to him, ראש הממשלה, ברשת אומרים שאתה בכלל מת. On the internet, they say that you are actually dead. And Netanyahu had a very witty and quick response, and now we will see how he uses lamut and al, and let's see if you catch it, what he's actually saying. So here is his response. אני מת על קפה. אתה יודע מה? אני מת על העם שלי. איך הם מתנהגים פנטסטי. Okay, so let's see. מת על. אני מת על. Here in the first sentence he's saying it. And again, אני מת על. But what exactly? So let's have a look. When we say who met or who met al, we are not saying the same thing because who met means he is dead. And who met al means he is crazy about something. That means he loves it. This is when in English you might write it in a WhatsApp or in another text message with I don't know how many O's. Love it. This is met al. So here again, אני מת על קפה. I am crazy about coffee. He's not saying מת על הקפה. על קפה. In general. אתה יודע מה? אני מת על העם שלי. איך הם מתנהגים פנטסטי. So, again, מת על קפה, מת על העם שלי. So, he's saying, I am crazy about coffee. And you know what? I am crazy about my people. How they are behaving. It's fantastic. So, אני מתה על מוזיקה. When I say this, אני מתה על מוזיקה. I love music. הוא מת על גלישה. He's crazy about surfing. And what does that mean? הוא מת על metal. He's crazy about metal. Yeah, and that means what? Well, actually, this is a wordplay, and there is a radio station with this name, Met al Metal, and they talk about heavy metal music and this kind of genre. So let's look for a moment how you can use this. Lamut in the present tense is met, meta, metim, metot. So, who met, he is dead. Who met al, he's crazy. He loves something. Now, when you use this expression, then you can only use the present tense of lamut. This is why I showed it to you. This is really important. If you want to use this in the past tense and the future tense, like I really loved whatever, or I will really love it, then you will use the verb to love, le'ehov. So this is a present tense expression. Now, again, who met, when you want to say he is dead, there you have all the tenses available. And if you're wondering how you can ever get to the height of Hebrew, to the level where you get a feeling for these kind of things, well, you need exposure. And this is the reason why I'm offering the weekly lessons. I'm leaving here the link to my website. Go there right now, download a free lesson, and judge for yourself if this is something for you. We have it in 3 levels. Every week you can cancel anytime. This is not a long-term subscription per se. And what you need is exposure, and every week new exposure. If you cannot make it, if you say, oh my God, all of this I have to learn in 1 week, no, you do what you can. And when the week is over and you get a new lesson, you forget about the old lesson. You should not work on one lesson. You need exposure. That means a lot of input and changing input. And over time, your Hebrew will grow and you will recognize things you have heard before. Okay, well, that was it. Don't forget to download a free lesson, and I hope I see you in the next video. Shalom.